For sale, 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 double cab work truck. For sale is a dependable and fleet-maintained half-ton pickup designed to support a wide range of commercial and field service applications. This Silverado offers a well-balanced blend of durability, drivability, and everyday usability, making it a strong fit for contractors, technicians, and businesses needing a reliable light-duty truck. Its double cab layout provides practical interior room for additional crew members or secure storage while maintaining a maneuverable footprint suited for both job site work and urban routes. The truck presents clean cosmetics and a professional appearance, reflecting responsible ownership and consistent upkeep. With its work-ready configuration, stable on-road behavior, and ability to transition seamlessly between hauling duties, service calls, and daily transportation needs, this unit offers a solid solution for buyers seeking a trustworthy platform ready to enter service immediately.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.